Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start inside Discord, open the desktop app or browser and make sure you're signed in. Once done, click your avatar in the bottom left to reveal user settings and profile options. You want to get straight to the status controls because that's where the activity display lives. Make sure your client is the desktop app for full controls. However, the web version shows similar options. This gets you into the exact place to stop Discord broadcasting what you're playing. You'll now change the setting that broadcasts your activity. Go to User Settings, then Activity Privacy or Activity Status depending on your client. Next, toggle off Display Current Activity or Display Currently Running Game. That stops Discord from showing the app or game you have open. If game activity lists a specific app, click the three dots or Remove Entry so it won't reappear automatically. This is the how and the why. Finish by verifying your profile. Your activity indicator should be gone when you open your profile or hover over your avatar. If it still shows, restart Discord. Sometimes the client needs a reload to apply changes. Make sure no third-party overlay or app is forcing game detection. Revoke those app permissions if necessary. If all else fails, toggle the setting off then on again, or reinstall the client to clear corrupted settings. That usually fixes stubborn visibility issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.